YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Heavy Ace Griffin coming through with another video. So today, we will be putting the body kit, basically the ground effect body kit on Hellboy today. That's what we got going on today. We'll be doing it. Hey, but if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. It might be helpful to somebody. I'm just checking some things out. So we gonna get this cold start going, man, and get to it, man. I got a long thing ahead of me, putting everything on. So we gonna get this cold start and see what it do. Move them out if I get them somewhere I can set up on jack stands and everything like that. If I'm gonna do that, they're gonna move over here on this side of the house. Not too much I have some space to work with. Cut it out and show you what's everything going. But everything is going on. Well, I ain't gonna say going on in the car, but that's an ugly spot. I got cardboard. So we gonna show you a lot of stuff that's gonna be going on in the car. I'm gonna get everything out, set everything up, spread everything out, and we'll be right back. Before I show y'all the stuff I got over there, I'm gonna show y'all some other stuff I did to the car yesterday. That's all yesterday. So I put my oil catch can on, finally. So that's on. Y'all know I've been had that. And I also put that on yesterday, as you can see. So I put that on yesterday. Oil catch can. Everybody need an oil catch can. So I'm gonna show y'all what was in the boxes. There was a few things in the boxes over there. So this was in the box. I got a whole carbon fiber kit from front to back. So here we go. You can see. Carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber splitter, sides, see that, the back, see? All of the carbon fiber, and the wing. Carbon fiber. But the wing gonna be going on until Thursday or Friday. Once I take the car to the wrap shop, they'll be getting put on then. I also, y'all don't know, I have a louver that's already at the wrap shop. So that would be going on too. So I'm just getting y'all a little detail what was going on in the car. So with that being said, you see what was in the boxes, see what is getting put on the car or already put on the car. So now I gotta get to assembling everything. So I'm gonna get ready to put this stuff on. It's gonna be lengthy, so I'm doing it by myself. So y'all bear with me, and I'm not gonna really record it because it's gonna be lengthy. So Once I'm done with doing one part at a time, I will come back and show it to y'all when one part of each thing is being put on, has been put on, so y'all can get the visual how it would look afterwards. So y'all just stay tuned, watch the whole video, stay tuned to what's coming in the next couple of days. I got a lot of stuff coming up in the next couple of days. Check out my previous videos, and y'all just stay tuned. Keep it, walk with your boy, man. I'll be back. As you can see, got it off. Got it off. Oh shit, I'm gonna fail. It's the OME factory. If I kick it on, see? There we go. So yeah, grab the other one. It should fit. It better fit. I'll be mad if it don't fit. If it don't fit, I'm gonna be mad. But it's supposed to fit though. I had to confirm a couple things to make sure it does. So once I get this put on, once I get it put on, then I'll show you how it looks. So yes, as you can see, I got that part there on. It is on. The freezer is on. And this part is on. So it is on. So got that taken care of now. We're gonna work on the side where I got it up. Hopefully I got this back far enough to put it on there. So this will be next. So with that being said, we're gonna get to it. So moving kind of alright. Everything's alright for right now. A couple of little small issues, but nothing too big. We're gonna tackle all of this except for the wing. We'll tackle everything else. So let's get to it. Let's talk to it. Let's do it. Nothing to it but do it. Let's get it. Alright, I finally got it finished. Man, I say it was giving me problems. It would give me little problems. You know, something always got to happen. Something I always got to slow you down. The drill slowing me down and all type of stuff. But here you go. See, I got it on there. But I got it done though. Got all of it pretty much on there. Lined up the best way I can get it lined up. So, yeah, I got it done. Whew. I am exhausted. I've been doing this since 8 o'clock this morning. And it's roughly, I don't know, about 1, 2 o'clock. So yeah, I got it secured enough so it won't move. You can see, pretty tight, pretty sturdy for the most part. I won't really know until I get up to them speeds in it. You know, once I get them speeds up and stuff like that, the wind get to blowing, then I know. But I screwed it in as good as I can. If I see anything coming loose or look loose, I'll just jack it back up and add extra screws to it to tighten it down even more. But with that being said, man, I am exhausted. I'm tired, hungry, everything. And I need to make a run out east. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. I don't know. But with that being said, man, it's your boy Hangry Ace Boogie, man. I am exhausted and tired, but I got it done. And man, I got it done. So I got it done. That's all I can say. Hey, y'all new to the channel, like I said, subscribe to the channel. But y'all can see the wrap once it goes to the wrap shop this week. Or whenever y'all get this video in a couple days, we're going to the wrap shop to get everything finished. It look lower. I like the look though. Make it look more aggressive. I'm just trying to do this build different than I did the other build, my other car. So that's all. Just did one, trying to do another different look to it for the most part. Hopefully nobody gonna step on the side trying to get in the car, like my wife. But hopefully she don't. Hopefully everything stays on and doesn't comes off, because this stuff is very expensive. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna keep my eye on it and make sure, check and double check and triple check. But yeah, I'm sorry, just stuff going through my head. But I'm gonna end this video, man, and I'm gonna holler at y'all, man, in a couple days when I reveal the new wrap on the car. And I also, it might happen. I hope it happens, but like I said, me and my wife will be in a movie, a production film with our cars. So hopefully that goes according to plan. If it does, y'all will be getting that video. So y'all just stay tuned for the couple of videos that's coming up. It's gonna be very dope. And new intro coming too. I know I ain't been having them, but it's coming. I'm just trying to get the car together if I can do it. And y'all see what it is though. You see something different. You know, make it look even more aggressive and everything like that. Well, I'm gonna end this video, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. I'm gone for lay down, do some drink, something to eat, and chill out. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm gone.
What are you waiting for, huh?